Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to add a PayPal account to our Coinbase account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need a Coinbase account, have it logged in. And then what you're going to do is have your PayPal account, right? So you need to have your PayPal account, you need to have it created already. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you need to have, hold on. You need to also have your PayPal account logged in on another tab. So yeah, and also for your PayPal account, before you start anything, I want to make sure your PayPal account is set to go. So once you have your PayPal account logged in, if you don't have a PayPal account yet, or still want to know how to create an account, how to make a PayPal account, that is another video. I don't have a video for that yet, but I will have it posted soon on how to create a PayPal account. Anyways, once you have a PayPal account logged in, you want to make sure that all of your information is correct. So over here, if you just go to dashboard, oh, well, I guess it's your dashboard. Sorry. Over here, if you go here to settings, right? Go to settings. So over here is the settings on your PayPal account. Go down. You want to make sure that your information is correct. You know, your name, address, um, nationality, language, time zone. And then more important thing is your email and your phone number. So you want to make sure that your email is confirmed, right? So you want to make sure that you have an email added to your account, and then you want to make sure that it's confirmed. So and then for your phone number, you want to also make sure that you have a phone number added and you have access to the phone number and it's confirmed. So you want to make sure that you have access to both your email and to your phone number, and then they're both working properly and that they're confirmed. So over here right now, look, my phone number, this phone number isn't confirmed, so I have to confirm it. So I have to confirm it right now. So I'm gonna resend confirmation. I'm gonna click on resend confirmation. And then what's gonna do is that it's gonna send me a code to confirm that it's my phone number. And it's gonna be sent to that phone number. So I have to resend it because it's not sending right now. Okay, so I've just saw it on the phone. So I'm gonna go back to my settings again. I went back to settings. So I was in the dashboard PayPal page. So over here in the top, you'll see this settings on your PayPal. And then I wanna resend confirmation again. And then I'm gonna enter the code and I'm gonna validate it. But I'm not gonna show you guys that because I don't want you to see my code. You don't wanna show anyone your code, it's private information. But I'll get back to you when I'm done. So I've entered my confirmation code and I validated it, and now it's finally confirmed. So I'm gonna X this. And if I go down, over here, it doesn't say unconfirmed anymore. They're both confirmed. Now, this is important. Make sure your email and your phone number is confirmed so that if anything happens, PayPal will be able to contact you, or if anything, you'll be able to retrieve your PayPal account. Because if not, if you don't have your email or your phone number confirmed, it's gonna be hard for you to retrieve an account if anything happens, and it's gonna be hard for them to, know your identity. So it's for identification purpose. Make sure you have a proper working email and the phone number, you know, added in your PayPal account. So we're good. Now I'm gonna go back to my dashboard. Sorry. I'm gonna go back to settings again. Sorry. Go to settings. So we're good on that. Now let's go to payments. Click on payments. Oh my bad. Let's go to account again. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, so let's go to wallet again. So over here in the wallet section, from settings, I want the wallet over here on this top. It says wallet. So over here, I have the options to link a bank, link a card, and then I have PayPal balance, TD Bank, EasyWeb. I have TD Bank, EasyWeb, checking savings. Those are just my bank accounts that I've added. And this is my PayPal balance. Right now, I have nothing. And right now, my primary currency is in Canadian dollars. And yes. So I want to talk about linking your bank account to your PayPal account. So in PayPal is a way for you. So if you're using Coinbase, so if you're a Coinbase user, PayPal is a way for you to connect your Coinbase account to your bank. So yes. So hold on. So the reason why we need to link our PayPal account to our Coinbase is so that we can withdraw our money from our Coinbase to our bank account. And PayPal is gonna help with that. So when you withdraw money from your Coinbase account, when you want to withdraw your funds, how it works is that you're gonna sell your crypto, you're gonna sell, let's say, your Bitcoin, and then what's gonna happen is that when you sell your Bitcoin, they're gonna transfer, your payment for the Bitcoin that you've sold to your PayPal account. It's gonna be fast, take like 1 minute or 1 to 5 minutes. And once it arrives on your PayPal account, what you can do is you can transfer that money that just arrived in your PayPal account to your bank account. And it's gonna take like a week or maybe 2 weeks for it to arrive in your bank account from your PayPal. That's why we need a PayPal account and we need to link it to the Coinbase. But I'm gonna create another video for withdrawing money from your Coinbase to your PayPal to your bank. It's gonna be another video, separate video. I don't have a video for that yet, but I'll create one soon. Anyways, this is how to link your PayPal account to your Coinbase. But before you link your PayPal account to your Coinbase, I want to make sure that you have your email confirmed, phone number confirmed, all of your information that is important, properly put in your PayPal account, and that make sure you have a bank linked to your PayPal account. So yeah. So I already have a bank link to my PayPal account, but for starters, they make a mistake of linking a card, linking their debit card or their credit card to their PayPal account instead of a bank account. Link your bank account, not your card account, because when you transfer money to your card, it doesn't work. So link your bank instead. So you're gonna transfer your money directly to your bank, and that's how it works. So don't link your card, link your bank. So if you don't have a bank link to your PayPal account yet, just click on link bank right there, link bank. And then you're gonna choose your bank. For example, let's say RBC, you're gonna choose your bank. And then you're gonna have to put all of your, bank information right here. And then you're gonna click on agree and link. You're gonna click on agree and link, and what happens is that it's gonna link right away. And then reset to go. So I just wanna make sure that you have your PayPal account properly set up for anything. And now we're finally prepared to connect your PayPal account to your Coinbase. So how does it work? So first, you go to your Coinbase page, and then over here in the homepage of your Coinbase, on the top right corner, you'll be able to see a profile like this. And then once you click on a profile, this will pop up, and then you'll be able to find settings. So click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will now click on payment methods over here. Click on payment methods. And then what you want to do is add a payment method. So click on add a payment method. So far I have my debit and my PayPal account. And then what you want to do is click on PayPal. So PayPal, it says here, PayPal for withdrawals only. Link your account to instantly withdraw funds from Coinbase to PayPal. Deposits are not currently available. So PayPal is what you use when you want to withdraw or sell your Bitcoin. So yeah. So click on PayPal. And then it's gonna ask you to log into your PayPal. And then you're gonna be asked to continue. But we've already linked our PayPal account, so we don't need to link it again. But I'm basically just showing you. Sorry. So it's gonna ask you for a code, and then you're gonna have to enter a code. It's gonna be sent to your phone number, and you're gonna have to. It's gonna verify it, and it's gonna link it. But that's basically it. That's how you link your PayPal account to your Coinbase account. I'm just showing you. I already have a PayPal account linked to Coinbase, so I'm not actually doing it, but I'm just like kind of showing you like as an example on how to actually do it. So yeah, PayPal account. Also, guys, you can only link one PayPal account to one Coinbase account. Uh-huh. So if you already have a PayPal account linked to another Coinbase account, you cannot link that PayPal account anymore. You have to use a PayPal account that's not linked to a Coinbase account yet. So yeah. Okay, just want to point it out. Okay, that is it for this video. I just basically showed you, you know, how you link your PayPal account to your Coinbase account and steps and procedures that you need to do and things that you need to do with your PayPal account. You know, what's required for your PayPal account before you link your PayPal account to your Coinbase account. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And there are other videos as well in this channel. And subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. Comment down below if you have any comment, questions, concerns, suggestions, or any other videos you want to make. Please comment down so that we can answer them for you. And then we can, you know, help you out and create those videos that you want. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. That's it for this video. Bye-bye.